Welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this Lemofun power strip with for USB outlets and for normal power outlets, surge protector, anti-slip pads. Yeah, it has 4 fast charging USB slots. I'm not talking about quick charge. There's no quick charge specifications. It says just fast charging, means up to 2.4 amps per port, 4.1 amps in total. It's not crazy, but it's a decent value. Cord length 1.5 meter, 5 feet, and 2150 watts. Total power can be used for 100 up to 250 volts. Can also be used for traveling accordingly. So let's open it and check what we really get. And as we can see, yeah, that's it, of course. And we get the US power plug. So if you want to take this for travel, you would definitely need travel plug adapter. And yeah, it has to be a 3-prong adapter, of course. Make sure that you have the right things with you. Looking pretty good. I mean, it's not an expensive thing, but it's just a decent value, I think. So this is how it looks from the back. You see these 4 rubber feet, and yeah, when we test them, you can see that they are holding really nicely. Definitely slip resistant. Cord looks, yeah, pretty decent. Here we get even some kind of quick instructions or specification. Manual is a little bit too much, but at least also some kind of cautions, always good to know. Just protect your children. So it says it has quite some spacey design. Yeah, it's not crazy wide, but I think for the size it is decent. When we check with a normal power adapter, which is a little bit, yeah, it's a power adapter, it's not just a plug, then we can assume that, yeah, especially this one is too wide. You cannot use the next one as well, not even for a normal plug, I think. Yeah, maybe that would work. Yeah, okay, so the power adapter and then a normal plug and the power adapter again and the normal plug, so that could work. Definitely the normal plugs will work, but not 4 of these ones. So you get an impression how spacey that is. So, and now let's plug it in and see if this really works. So let's turn it on. We see this light here, and we see also a blue light. I don't know if this is for the USB. Here we get the confirmation that it is charging. Of course, it's not high power, but as you can see, it's working. And what I like, the outlets are really easy to use. Sometimes there are outlets which are really hard to push in. This is nice and smooth. So all the 4 outlets are really nicely done. So it's not a cheap thing, looking really good. But of course we have to aware it's only 10 amps, it's not 20 amps or whatsoever. I don't know what the maximum is. It is not suitable as according to this to really high power equipment like a hairdryer. Hairdryers, they have up to yeah, I think 1700, 1800 or even a little bit more watts. So this is maximum 1200. So definitely not for ultra heavy equipment like a hairdryer or strong mechanical engines or whatsoever, but for daily use, like just lights, some couple of things to charge, that's definitely absolutely no problem. Also computers, which is a good thing. So you can put computers here and you have like a surge protection. So let's check on the USB as well. So unfortunately it's a little bit difficult to see from this side, but I'm trying to charge now this power bank and it's pulling about 0.5 amps. Now I'm adding this consumer here, of course, also vertical. Yeah, I hope you can see that. So I'm starting this with 1 amp. So we have here 1 amp and in the back 0.6, and I'm increasing a little bit. Let's go to 2 amps. I cannot go to the limit with this consumer here for the power bank. It's too low, but you can see it's 2 amps here and 0.7 in the back, and the back hasn't been going down, so I'm going to 2.4. Yeah, I was even a little bit higher, so I don't want to damage the thing. I go to 2.4 amps and I'm checking if everything is still okay, and I see a straight 5.0 volts, which means it's still providing full power. So if it would be over the limit, then the voltage would go down to 4.8, 4.7 and so on. I have seen voltage down to 4 volts, and here absolutely no problem. We get the full output 5 volts, and here 2.4 amps makes 12 watts output, and it looks like it's really reliable, not going down over time. Here we have still this 0.7 or close to 0.8. Of course we could actually pull 2.4 also here, but it's not possible. I don't have such a strong consumer, but I'm pretty happy with it. Looks definitely fast charge. I can definitely confirm that. It is not quick charge, I mean nothing like 9 volts, 12 volts or whatsoever, but it is definitely, it can be considered a fast charge. So I have let this charging now for a while, and I have tested if there is some heat build up anywhere here, which would make me feel uncomfortable and thinking of overheat problem, but there is absolutely nothing. Even when you are pulling so much power over longer time period, looks like it is definitely still stable and very well built. So absolutely no problem with that, and I can definitely give full recommendation for that, and I will put down the link to the listing on Amazon into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like. And I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.